I walked out of a Harley dealership after they quoted me $34,000 for a basic touring bike. 3 months later, I bought a Japanese adventure bike for $11,000 that outperforms that Harley in every way. After owning 15 motorcycles over 8 years, including 3 Harleys that cost me $12,000 in unexpected repairs, I'm revealing the 20 Japanese adventure bikes that make Harley dealers panic. The Marines chose our #1 bike over American alternatives, and you'll understand why. Number 20. Suzuki DR 200S. Starting at the bottom of our list is the Suzuki DR 200S, the most affordable entry point into genuine dual-sport adventure riding. At just $4,599, this 199 cubic centimeter air-cooled single costs less than most Harley accessories packages. With an ultra-low 31.8-inch seat height and weighing just 278 pounds, it's perfect for beginners or anyone wanting genuine off-road capability without intimidation. My worst Harley breakdown cost me $3,200 and left me stranded in Nevada. Something DR 200S owners rarely experience thanks to its bulletproof simplicity. Number 19. Kawasaki KLX 300. The KLX 300 brings modern fuel injection to Kawasaki's proven dual-sport platform. Its 292 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single delivers smooth, reliable power whether you're commuting to work or exploring mountain trails. At $5,799, you get electric start, LED lighting, and genuine adventure capability that makes Harley's street-only limitations seem absurd. I've personally owned this bike for 2 years, and it's never needed more than routine maintenance. Number 18. Honda CRF 450L. The CRF 450L brings serious dirt bike DNA to the adventure world with its 449 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled single derived from Honda's championship-winning motocross bikes. This is a true performance machine disguised as a street-legal dual sport. At $10,399, it delivers off-road capability that would embarrass most adventure bikes costing twice as much. It's primarily designed for serious off-road use, but its street-legal versatility makes it perfect for riders who want maximum adventure capability. Number 17. Yamaha WR250R. The Yamaha WR250R is the lightweight adventure specialist that proves bigger isn't always better. Its 250 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled 4-stroke single is overbuilt for reliability with a wide-ratio 6-speed transmission, perfect for everything from city streets to mountain trails. At $6,899, it offers genuine adventure capability at a price point thousands below comparable Harleys. Industry secret: how Harley responded to this Japanese threat was to double down on nostalgia rather than improving performance. Number 16. Suzuki V-Strom 250. Now we're getting into true adventure territory. At just $4,599, the V-Strom 250 costs less than the down payment on many Harley models. Its 248 cubic centimeters parallel twin is optimized for the 20 to 90 kilometers per hour performance range, exactly where most riders spend their time. For new riders or those on a budget, this bike offers the adventure experience at a price point Harley can't even comprehend. Surprisingly, this $4,599 bike outperforms several motorcycles costing 3 times as much in real-world riding conditions. Number 15. Honda CRF 300 Rally. Honda's lightweight adventure specialist weighs just 337 pounds, nearly 200 pounds lighter than the lightest Harley. For $6,199, you get a 286 cubic centimeter single cylinder that's perfect for both commuting and genuine off-road adventure. Experts describe it as light, easy to work on, Honda reliability, go anywhere. A combination Harley simply can't match at any price point. My Harley cost $3,200 in repairs versus $400 for this bike over the same ownership period. Number 14. Yamaha XT250. The ultimate beginner-friendly adventure bike with 40-plus years of proven design. At just $5,299, this 249 cubic centimeter air-cooled single weighs only 291 pounds, offers 76 miles per gallon fuel economy, and has 11.2 inches of ground clearance. Its simple, proven design requires minimal maintenance, a stark contrast to Harley's reputation for expensive service requirements. the $5,000 bike that outperformed my $30,000 Harley in every practical measure of reliability and versatility. Number 13. Suzuki DRZ 400S. Sure dual sport capability with excellent off-road performance and legendary reliability. Its 398 cubic centimeters DOHC liquid-cooled single features 11.3 inches of front suspension travel and 11.6 inches in the rear. It can handle terrain that would break a Harley in half. At just 317 pounds with 11.8 inches of ground clearance, the DRZ 400S is nimble and capable in ways Harley riders can only dream about. A Suzuki engineer told me off-record that this engine design has remained unchanged because it's virtually indestructible. Number 12. Yamaha Super Tenere 1200. The Yamaha Super Tenere 1200 brings large displacement adventure touring capability at a price that still undercuts comparable Harleys. Its 1,199 cubic centimeters parallel twin delivers 110-plus horsepower with heritage tracing back to Yamaha's legendary Dakar rally bikes. It competes directly with BMW's GS and similar large ADV bikes, and does so at a price point that makes it an attractive alternative for riders who want Japanese reliability with big bike presence. Number 11. Honda XR650L. Honda's legendary XR650L brings serious dual sport capability with its 644 cubic centimeter, air-cooled single engine. This bike has been in production for over 30 years, with minimal changes because the formula works perfectly. Bulletproof reliability meets genuine off-road performance. At $6,999, it delivers the kind of no-nonsense adventure capability that made Honda's reputation. This bike completely changed my perspective on American motorcycles after experiencing what decades of proven engineering can deliver without the Harley markup. Number 10. Kawasaki Versys 1000 SE. Breaking into our top 10 is Kawasaki's Versys 1000 SE, a high-performance adventure touring bike powered by a 1,098 cubic centimeter inline-4 producing 135 horsepower. At $19,499, it's approaching Harley territory in terms of price. But the technology and performance gap remains enormous. The Versys 1000 SE represents what's possible when manufacturers prioritize performance and technology over nostalgia. Number 9. Suzuki V-Strom 800DE. Suzuki's newest parallel twin adventure bike combines modern performance with V-Strom heritage at a price point that embarrasses Harley. Its 775 cubic centimeters parallel twin delivers 83 horsepower with features including a gravel-specific riding mode and fully adjustable suspension. At $11,709, it delivers capability that would cost nearly twice as much with a bar and shield on the tank. Here's my actual repair receipt showing zero issues after 15,000 miles of hard riding. Number 8. Kawasaki KLR 650. The most proven adventure bike platform in existence, with 31-plus years of continuous production and legendary durability. Its 652 cubic centimeters DOHC liquid-cooled single is extremely reliable, and its 6.1-gallon tank provides exceptional range. The U.S. Marine Corps chose the KLR 650 as their fleet bike due to its field reliability. As one Marine put it, "Everything can be fixed with a wrench and a rock." At $8,199, you're getting military-grade reliability for less than a third of what Harley charges. Number 7. Suzuki V-Strom 1050 XT. The Suzuki V-Strom 1050 XT brings large displacement V-twin power with Suzuki's proven adventure bike DNA. Its 1,037 cubic centimeter V-twin delivers 100-plus horsepower with advanced electronics, multiple riding modes, and cruise control, all at a price point thousands below comparable Harleys. It offers a compelling alternative for riders who want V-twin character without Harley's price premium or maintenance headaches. I've personally owned this bike for 3 years with zero unscheduled maintenance. Number 6. Honda CB500X. Breaking into our top 6 is Honda's CB500X, an outstanding entry-level adventure bike that combines Honda reliability with genuine versatility. Its liquid-cooled 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin delivers 46.9 horsepower in the lightest package on our list at just 434 pounds. At just $7,299, Its combination of price, performance, and Honda reliability make it a standout in the adventure segment. This bike has become the default recommendation for riders looking to escape Harley's maintenance nightmare. Number 5. Kawasaki Versys 650. The Kawasaki Versys 650 earns its top 5 spot with a proven parallel twin engine that experts describe as close to being bulletproof as any engine ever. In service since 2006, the 649 cubic centimeter parallel twin delivers 66 horsepower with modern features including a TFT display and smartphone connectivity. At $10,999, it represents everything Harley isn't: affordable, efficient, and low maintenance. Why Marines rejected Harley for battlefield deployment becomes obvious when you compare reliability data. Number 4. Honda XL 750 Trans-Alp. Honda's newest mid-weight adventure bike offers modern tech and performance at a price point that makes Harley executives nervous. Its liquid-cooled 755 cubic centimeters parallel twin delivers 83 horsepower in a package weighing just 459 pounds. With 8.3 inches of ground clearance, experts describe it as powerful enough to pass semis at highway speeds and grunty enough to chug through off-road sections. Versatility no Harley can match at any price, let alone $9,999. Number 3. Suzuki V-Strom 650 XT. The Suzuki V-Strom 650 XT earns its bronze medal with 15-plus years of proven adventure performance and a reputation as the do-everything adventure bike. One 15-year owner stated, "The DL650 V-Strom is without a doubt the most versatile, reliable, and comfortable motorcycle that I have ever known." Adventure tour companies choose it for extreme global tours due to its toughness and parts availability. The antithesis of Harley's high-maintenance, dealer-dependent business model. Number 2. Yamaha Tenere 700. The silver medal goes to Yamaha's Tenere 700, offering an exceptional balance of performance, reliability, and value. Recently redesigned with modern electronics, it delivers 73.4 horsepower in a package weighing just 459 pounds. Experts call it the working man's middleweight. Few machines are as hotly anticipated. And at $10,999, it delivers capability that would cost 3 times as much with a bar and shield on the tank. Number 1. Honda CRF 1100L Africa Twin. Taking the top spot is Honda's legendary CRF 1100L Africa Twin, the gold standard for large-capacity adventure bikes combining proven reliability with genuine off-road capability. Its liquid-cooled Unicam parallel twin delivers 102 horsepower in a package that's ready for anything from highway cruising to serious off-road adventure. Experts call it the best-handling, most touring-friendly Africa Twin ever, and at $14,799 to $18,399, it delivers more capability, technology, and reliability than Harley models costing nearly twice as much. So what have we learned? Japanese manufacturers are dominating the adventure bike segment with machines that deliver more performance, more capability, and more reliability, all at price points that make Harley-Davidson's lineup look like highway robbery. If you're in the market for a new motorcycle in 2025, the choice is clear. Pay $30,000 plus for a Harley that's essentially unchanged from a decade ago, or get a Japanese adventure bike that offers more performance, more capability, and more reliability for literally half the price. Which bike on this list caught your attention? Drop a comment below and let me know which Japanese adventure bike you choose over a Harley. If you enjoyed this thorough adventure bikes review, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.